CANOO is an automotive startup company based in Torrance, California. It was founded in 2017. CANOO specializes in the development and manufacturing of electric vehicles. The company's founders are Stefan Krause and Ulrich Kranz. The current chairman and CEO of CANOO is Tony Aquila. CANOO is a publicly traded company listed on the Nasdaq stock exchange under the ticker symbol GOEV. It is also a component of the Russell 2000 index. CANOO's research and development team is located in the Detroit region, specifically in Auburn Hills and Livonia. The production operations for CANOO's electric vehicles are based in Justin, Texas. CANOO's main focus is on electric vehicles, offering a range of EV models. In addition to consumer-focused EVs, CANOO also has plans to produce commercial electric vehicles, such as vans. As of December 31, 2021, CANOO employed approximately 805 people. CANOO's approach to vehicle design and functionality is distinct, focusing on modular platforms that can be adapted for various vehicle types.